Mogadishu has been relatively an ancient city, certainly a very old city. And part of that legacy of history is still visible despite the destruction. Some of the buildings and their whitewash that shine in the sun, you can still see that. But the depth of the destruction has been quite significant. I mean, there were very important places in the city in which monuments were set up, and rather quite nice-looking monuments were set up to commemorate great historical achievements of the Somali people. All of those, for all practical purposes, are destroyed, and what you see are remnants of the buildings or the foundations. Going to Mogadishu then, after 21 years, was shocking, absolutely shocking. Something close to 70, maybe even more than 75% of the population are internally displaced Somalis. Mogadishu then has become a kind of a significant refugee camp. It's a slow improvement in the security, and therefore people can begin to think again to rebuild, rehabilitate their homes, their businesses. Some of the roads are being cleaned and cleared. So you can see the revival of civic life and urban life. But there's a long way to go. The rebuilding of the capital is going to be a massive, collective scale. You cannot rebuild a capital city by individuals rebuilding their homes. The city is more than just the individual homes. The city is the center of Somali life. And it will require the vast energy of the Somali people and investment from the Somali people and the international community to rebuild Mogadishu if it is going to become the new capital of a new Somali republic. We need the Somali young people to become involved. Get involved in terms of mentally thinking and learning about your society. Get involved in terms of becoming somebody in where you live, and get involved in working with other young Somali people and help us build Hilqara. That's my appeal to you, because that's for you, that's the future for you, and it is your own people and your own country. You can do a lot from where you are sitting if you get involved. Join Hilqara.